Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So I think today is the final day for revision, isn't it? Yes. Yeah. After that, you'll be having your exams. Yes. We'll take up the last portion now. I hope you have prepared the questions. Adulthood and old age, isn't it? Is the topic? Yes. So yeah, we'll start. Amal, shall we start with you?
The experience of old age also depends on the dash condition. Option A, society condition. Option B, economic condition. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this.
Experience of old age, isn't it?
Ma'am.
Yes. Options once more.
Option A, society condition. Option B, economic condition. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of this.
Both A and B.
It is the right answer.
Both A and B. Okay. Abhilash, next one.
According to Dash, the first year of life is the key time for the development of attachment. Options: Harlow and Harlow, Jean Piaget, Erik Erikson, and Sandra Scott.
Answer. Do you want him to repeat the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
According to Dash, the first year of life is the key time for the development of attachment. Options: Harlow and Harlow, Jean Piaget, Erik Erikson, Sandra Scott.
Harlow and
No. Anybody else? Answer? No. Abhilash.
And the answer is Erik Erikson.
Erik Erikson. Erik Erikson's, what is the stage? What is the stage? Name of the stage. What is the first stage of development according to Erik Erikson?
Trust versus mistrust.
Trust versus mistrust is the first stage. Yes. Yes, Alina, you can type in the chat box. Okay, next question. Eva.
Yes. What can trigger hopelessness or depression in old people? Option A, changes in the family structure. Option B, children moving out. Option C, loss of energy. And option D, dwindling of health. And dwindling of health.
Answer. If the question is not clear, please do ask. You want us to repeat? Can you repeat the question, Eva?
What can trigger hopelessness or depression in old people? Option A, changes in the family structure. Option B, children moving out. Option C, loss of energy. And option B, dwindling of health. Yeah, dwindling of health.
Answer. All of you are having Monday blues.
Children moving out.
Yeah, that's the answer. Children moving out.
Yes. Okay. Then, Mary.
Ma'am, and dash is generally defined as responsible nature, self-supporting, and well integrated into society. Option A, old age. Option B, adult. Option C, none of the above.
Your voice is breaking in between. Can you repeat, Mary? Can you repeat once more?
And dash is generally defined as someone who is responsible, nature, self-supporting, and integrated into society.
Okay.
Option A, old age. Option B, adult. Option C, none of the above.
Old, ma'am.
No.
What is the answer?
Adult, ma'am.
Adult. In adulthood, in the starting of that, it is given. An adult is generally defined as someone who is responsible, mature, self-supporting, and well integrated into society. Page number 80. Okay, it's an adult. Now, next question, Malavika.
Ma'am, I couldn't think of any questions for this.
You couldn't think of any questions. Why so?
I don't know, ma'am.
You don't know any kind of questions from the entire chapter.
No, it's the last portion, right?
It was the last portion, but you can ask from the previous portions also.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give you a chance after this. Okay, please prepare. Sanjana, next one.
Physical changes during middle ages is caused by what changes in the body? Option A, maturational changes. Option B, cognitive changes. Option C, none.
Maturation changes, cognitive changes, and none. Yes, Devika?
Maturational changes.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, maturation changes. Next one, Devika.
Dash is the most important factor in early adult years: health, marriage, family, work.
Health, marriage, family, and both.
Work.
Work. Early adulthood, right? Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Answer?
Ma'am, work.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Yes. Finding a job or getting employed, that is the main thing in early adulthood. Yes. Now, next is Kevin. Kevin, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Question.
The reasons for substance abuse could be options are peer pressure, global warming, personal fable, and identity crisis.
Peer pressure.
Is it peer pressure?
Yes.
Can also be identity crisis, no? Can be. There are chances. Like to reduce the stress from identity crisis, people may sort to a substance abuse. Okay. Emmeline, next one.
Memories will decline in adult, but dash improves with age. Long-term memories, wisdom, weight.
Wisdom.
Yes, ma'am.
Wisdom. Sandra. Long time no see. Sandra, are you there? No response. Okay, we have a question from Alina. Physical changes during middle ages are caused by dash changes in the body. Okay, options: Hormonal changes, maturational changes, both A and B.
Maturational change.
Maturation changes. Yes, I think we discussed that right now, right? Okay. Now, anybody who did not get a chance? No. Okay, Amal, back to you.
When dash age begin is not easy to determine. Option A, old. Option B, middle age. Option C, childhood.
Yes. Answer? Repeat the question, Amal.
When dash age begin is not easy to determine. Option A, old. Option B, middle. Option C, childhood.
Middle what?
Old age.
Middle
Is
what?
correct.
That is correct. Middle what?
Middle age.
What middle age? You mean middle adulthood?
Yes.
Okay, fine. Option should be clear, okay? Yes, Eva, next one.
Which culture believes that death is caused by natural forces?
Your voice is breaking, dear. We can hear some music. Which culture believes that? She left. Okay, we'll give her a chance when she comes. Mary?
Dash creates a family structure in which a single parent, either the mother or the father, has to take up the responsibility of children. Option A, death. Option B, marriage. C, all of the above.
Did you hear the options? It was not clear for me. Okay, please repeat, Mary. Repeat the question as well as the options.
Okay. Dash creates a family structure in which a single parent, either the mother or the father, has to take up the responsibility of the children. Option A, death. Option B, marriage. Option C, all of the above.
Marriage.
Death.
Yeah, yes, death.
Okay. Death of whom?
Spouse.
Spouse.
Yes.
Or
Devika, next one.
In which culture is it believed that death is caused by magic and demon? Gond culture, Tanala culture, or Sinhala culture?
Gaunt culture.
culture.
Okay, don't confuse with both the cultures. The two cultures that we have learned at the end of the chapter, that is Gond culture as well as Tanala culture, they have their own views of, viewpoints about death. Don't confuse it, okay? Yes, next one. Nestle, I think you have an audio issue, right? If so, please put it in the chat box. Put the question in the chat box. Next is Abhilash.
Old people consider dash as a negative change and separation from a source of self-esteem. Options: children moving out, retirement, loss of a spouse.
Retirement.
Retirement.
Okay, fine. Emmeline, next one.
Transition from dependency into independency is during which developmental stage? Adolescence, adulthood, prenatal, none of this.
Transition from dependency to independency, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Adult. Adult.
Adulthood. Is it adulthood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. And the efforts to be independent starts in adolescence. Then Sanjana, next one.
For old
Okay, continue.
for old age needs, option A, sense of security, option B, caring, option C, both A and B.
Then
A and B.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Then Malavika, ready with the question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Dash is a salient feature of pre-operational thought. A. Animism, B. Operational thoughts, C. Egocentrism, and D. None of the above.
Pre-operational, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Egocentrism.
egocentrism.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Eva's question in the chat box. Which culture believes that, excuse me, which culture believes that death is caused by natural forces? Gaon culture, Tanala culture, none of the above.
Tanala culture.
Any other answer? No. Which is the correct answer, Eva? B. Okay. Option B, Tanala culture is the correct answer. Now, next is Kevin.
Ma'am, dash refers to a variety of behaviors ranging from socially unacceptable behavior, legal offenses to criminal acts. Options are identity crisis, delinquency, personal fable, and imaginary audience.
Option B, delinquency.
Delinquency, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's right. Next question, Emmeline.
Identity versus identity confusion is during which stage of life in Piaget's theory?
Identity versus identity crisis. Very important. Whose theory did you ask?
Piaget's theory.
Identity versus identity crisis.
So, ma'am, in which stage of Piaget's theory the identity versus identity confusion happens?
Okay. How many stages are there in Piaget's theory? Counting. How many are there? How many stages are there in Piaget's theory?
5 stages.
5 stages. 5th one was added yesterday. I slept yesterday. I slept early yesterday. How many stages are there in Piaget's theory?
4.
4. Yes,
Stages.
only 4 stages are there. And which are the 4 stages? Starting from?
Sensory motor.
Sensory motor.
Pre-operational.
Pre-operational.
Concrete operational.
Concrete
Formal
operational.
operational.
Formal operational. Now, where does this identity versus identity confusion come? In which stage of human development does it
Formal
come?
operation.
Formal operation.
Okay, let it be. Which stage of human
Concrete.
development does this come? Leave
Adolescence.
Piaget. Huh?
Adolescence.
Adolescence. Yes,
Adolescence.
adolescence. Yes, adolescence is coming in which stage in Piaget's theory?
Formal, formal.
Concrete.
Formal operational.
Right.
Concrete.
Concrete.
Check,
Concrete.
check, check. Check the age.
Formal operational.
Operation is out of
Clear. Formal operational is the adolescence. Now let's hear the answer. Emlyn, what is the answer?
Formal operational stage.
Formal operational. And identity versus identity confusion comes in which theory? Or identity versus role confusion. It comes in which theory?
Erickson's theory.
Erik Erikson's theory. That is called psychosocial stages of development. And what is Piaget's theory called? What is Piaget's theory called?
Ma'am, for this stage,
Huh?
ma'am, Piaget's theory for this stage, that is during adolescence age, the theory is called as formal operation.
No, I'm asking what is Piaget's theory called? What is the name of the theory? Would we just say Piaget's theory? Because Piaget has brought about so many theories. Which is the theory that we learned? Theory of
Cognitive
Cognitive
development.
development.
cognitive development. We call it intellectual development also. Okay, there are different other names that Piaget is given, like genetic epistemology. He has called this theory genetic epistemology, and you don't have to learn all that. Understand this is cognitive development that Piaget has explained. Similarly, we have moral development explained by Piaget and so many other things. But the famous moral development theory that we have learned is from or by moral development. You might have learned only one name based on moral development. What is it? Starting with K. Second name starting with K. It rhymes with iceberg.
Lawrence Kohlberg.
Yeah, Kohlberg. Lawrence Kohlberg. That's the full name. Moral development, usually we talk about Kohlberg, but actually Kohlberg's theory was inspired from Piaget's moral development theory. There is a theory on moral development put forward by Piaget, and from that Kohlberg got inspiration. Then he made his own theory. Okay, fine. So that is it. Next question, Amal.
The occupation and development career are important them for people in which ages? Option A 30, option B 20 to 30, option C 50, option D 70 to 80.
I would say all the ages. What is the answer? Can you guess? Can you repeat the options, Amal?
Option A 30, option B 20 to 30, option C 50, option D 70 to 80.
20 to 30.
Is it 20 to 30?
It is the correct answer.
Mary, next one.
Ma'am, in old age, the feelings of option A, loss of energy, option B, dwindling of health, option C, financial assets, option D, led to insecurity and dependency, option D.
What is happening? I didn't understand anything.
Not here.
Option A.
Ma'am, in
Sir,
all
I can-
feelings
In
of,
old age. In old age,
the feelings of,
the feelings of
option A, loss of energy,
feelings of dash.
feelings of dash, okay.
Okay,
Option
feelings
A,
of dash.
loss of energy, option B, dwindling of health, option C, financial assets, option D, led to insecurity and dependency, option E, all of the above.
Oh,
All of the above.
Of the above.
Right answer.
thank God. I thought she won't stop at E. Going on and on. Next, Devika.
In late adulthood, decline in memory is seen in tasks involving dash, long-term memory, short-term memory, both A and B.
Long term of
Correct.
Okay. Abhilash.
Dash are also mental actions that are reversible. Options: formal operations, concrete operations, egocentrism, none of the above.
Mental actions that are reversible, right?
Concrete operation.
concrete operation.
Correct.
Emmeline, next one.
Ma'am, I don't have a question.
You don't have. Okay. Nestle. Nestle? No. Sanjana.
One of the major tasks in adulthood is option A, identity crisis, option B, developing a stable life structure, option C, none.
Developing a stable life structure.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Malavika. Malavika. Alina, if you have any more questions, please put it in the chat box. So Su cannot.
Ma'am,
Those, yeah.
dash thought
Just a minute. Just a minute, Malavika. Those who cannot ask the question, please put it in the chat box. I'll read out. Okay, continue.
dash thought also influence the development of moral reasoning. A, reason, B, logical, C, unrealistic.
Logical.
Yes, ma'am.
Correct. Then Kevin. Kevin? No. Eva?
Ma'am,
Yes.
dash refers to the pattern of progressive, orderly, and predictable changes that begin at conception and continue through life. Options are development, maturation, biological processes, and cognitive processes.
Answer. Faster, very easy.
Development.
Development. Yes, correct. Eva, next one.
Height and weight are examples of genotype, phenotype, or personality.
Genotype, phenotype, or personality. Height and weight. Tell the answer first.
Phenotype.
Phenotype. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next one. Shall I ask a question? Retirement is always considered as a positive change by individuals. Is it true or false?
False.
False. Because?
Want to, after retirement, they want to simply sit in the house.
I'm asking, why is this statement false? Retirement is always considered as a positive change. You told it as a false statement. Correct it.
It is considered as a negative change.
By some people, isn't it? Yes, some people consider it as a negative change. They feel very insecure. They feel very idle, especially for people who have lost their spouse. For them, loneliness is really a big factor that leads to other disorders and diseases. Okay, later on in their retired life. Okay. Then next question, Amal.
Which of the following is not included in a definition of adulthood? Option A, responsible. Option B, mature. Option C, self-supporting. Option D, separated from the society.
Separated from the society.
It is a correct answer.
Okay. Next one, Mary.
Ma'am, dash years are especially vulnerable to smoking, alcohol, and drug abuse. Option A, adolescent years. Option B, adulthood. Option C, old age.
Option A, adolescence.
Yes, ma'am, right.
Then Devika.
I don't have any more questions.
Okay. Abhilash.
Eating disorders are more common in options: urban families, rural families, none of the above.
Eating disorders are more common in urban families, rural families, or none of the above.
Urban
Urban families.
Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Emlyn, did you get a question again?
Transition period from childhood to adulthood is named as adulthood, adolescence, prenatal stage.
Adolescence.
Correct? Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sanjana.
Ma'am, I don't have any more questions.
Malavika.
Ma'am, me too.
Alina. No. Kevin.
Ma'am, dash refers to, oh wait, no, ma'am, I don't have any more questions.
What?
Ma'am, don't have any more questions.
What were you about to ask then?
Ma'am, the same previous question I asked.
Okay. Eva.
Ma'am, even my questions are over.
Anybody with the questions?
Yes, ma'am.
Amal.
Which of the following a determination in middle age?
Tough
Option
station.
A.
Tough what?
Dictation. Deterioration.
I didn't understand.
Deterioration.
Deterioration. Okay.
Option A, intelligence. Option B, musical talent. Option C, leadership quality. Option D, physical appearance.
Okay. What deteriorates in which stage? Old age. Which one did you ask?
Middle age.
Middle age. Answer? Or do you want the options once more? Yes, repeat the options.
Option A, intelligence. Option B, musical talent. Option C, leadership quality. Option D, physical appearance.
Appearance. Answer?
Physical appearance.
Is it physical appearance?
It is the right answer.
Okay. Then next one. Yeah.
Can I ask?
Yes, you can ask.
Experience of old age depends upon on all except dash.
No.
Option A, socio-economic condition. Option B, future plan. Option C, availability of healthcare. Option D, attitude of people.
Except dash. Answer. Answer, please. Please repeat the question. I think they did not understand.
Experience of old age depends upon on all except dash.
Options.
Options A, socio-economic conditions. Option B, future plan. Option C, availability of health care. Option D, attitude of people.
Future plans.
It is right.
Right answer. Okay. I'm going to take the attendance. Abdul, who was here? Abhinav absent. Alina Jason. Okay. Alina Varghese present. Devika present.
Present, ma'am.
Emilyn. Present.
Yes, ma'am.
Eva is also present. Malavika present. Mary present. Meryl. Meryl is absent. Then Rose. Absent, right? Shreya. Abhiram. Absent. Abhijit. Absent. Abhilash is present. Amar Roshan present. Bazuri. Present. Kevin present. Omar was there. Sanam absent. Sandra. Sanjana and Nestle. Okay. So with that, we wind up the revision. Do you have any doubt in any topic? This would be comparatively easy to study. Just one chapter is there, but a lot of terms so that don't confuse yourself. As we did in the revision time, during the revision time, divide it into each stage and then learn. And after that, try and revise it repeatedly. Just see if you can revise this comes in this stage or not. Okay. Like learning is one part. After that, memorizing it is another part. Once you finish reading once, you'll think that you will get all the answers. But when you try to memorize it, it's not necessary that you might get. Or you might get and then you'll be confused also with some of the topics. So learn it thoroughly again. Right from the lifespan perspective and the definition. Please don't leave that topic in the beginning. Okay, lifespan perspective, the 7 points, then context of development, contextual view, one by Bronfenbrenner and the other one by Durganand Sinha. Both are important. Then examples are also very important. Okay, like not the direct questions, but the examples might be asked, and then you'll have to identify where it comes out, to which category it belongs, to which system it belongs, to which stage of development it belongs, and so on. Then other important topics. I don't have to give important topics. All the topics in the chapter are important. Only one chapter, right? Then what else? Reflexes. Then Piaget's theory, the age group, the names, and what are the things happening in each stage. All that are important. Then the two principles, cephalocaudal and proximodistal. That is also one point where you confuse yourself. Cephalocaudal is from the cephalic region to the tail region, caudal region, head to tail. And proximodistal is from center part to the extremities. Then egocentrism, animism, centration, intuitive thought. You have to know what they have and examples also. Primary, secondary sexual characteristics. Menarche, you already know. Then identity, then imaginary audience, personal fable with examples. Delinquency, what is delinquency? Then UNDCP, full form. Then eating disorders, differentiate between both A and B. Remember, B is the bigger one. Anorexia and bulimia, binge eating. Then the challenges and concerns in adulthood and old age. Then the concept about death. That's pretty much the 4th chapter. Okay, then we'll wind up. All the best for your exams. Starts on 20th, right? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.